region includes Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, and all states in Northeast. So all the states and every states in Eastern India, we are covering with this LabVIEW user group. So any LabVIEW user from that region, we are requesting you to come and join this group in NI website. So you can go to NI forum and you can go to this local user groups, and then you can search using this name LUG of Kolkata and East India East LUG, and you can find this group. I request you to join this group. So as of now we are starting so with 7 members, and then as we grow the group more and more, then we'll try to create the local sessions. So this will be a really great opportunity for us who are from the East India to communicate with each other and help each other and grow a better community. So this will be helpful for you as well to get the recertification points and so on. So hopefully we'll meet somewhere in the next year to communicate between each other, and then have a great time together. uh, I think that's it. Thank you.